Hello students, today I am going to teach you a new lesson, that is ratio and proportion. So we will start with ratio. Now what is ratio? Ratio is a comparison between two quantities or number. So what does it mean? Let's see with some examples. Take first example I will take that Tendulkar scored 90 marks and Sehwag scored 60 marks. Now we can say Tendulkar scored 30 more marks than Sehwag. Okay, this is one method of comparison. Another example, Coolie dog's weight is 25 kg and bulldog weight is 20 kg. So you can say that Coolie dog is 5 kg heavier than bulldog. So this is same method of comparison, means we are comparing by subtraction. Okay, you see, if we subtract 25 if we subtract 20 from 25, then we are going to get 5. Similarly, we'll take some more example, like if 6 is divided by 3, then we'll get 2. What does it mean? It means that 6 is twice as more as 3. Now if 3 is divided with 6, so we are going to get 1 by 2. That means 3 is half times of 6. So from here you can say, from the example you can say that there are two types of comparison. One is difference method. You see difference method here. Tendulkar, difference between Tendulkar's score and Sehwag's score is 30. Similarly, difference between the Coolie dog and the bulldog is 5 kg. So this method we call it difference method. So when we compare two number by subtraction, we call it difference method. There is another method of comparison, and that method is known as quotient method. When we compare two number by division. Example we have already seen. Now if we compare 6 and 3, so if I divide 6 and 3, then we are going to get 2. So this is one method of comparison. Now let's see the representation of ratio, how it is represented. Ratio can be represented in 3 ways. Number 1, by words, by colon, and by division sign. Let's see how. By words. Say Ananya's age is 12 and Anjali's age is 4. So we can read it as 12 to 4 or 3 to 1. So this is method of representing ratio, 12 to 4 or 3 to 1. Now by colon method, you see Ananya's age is 12 and Anjali's age is 4. So we can write it as 12 is to 4 or 3 is to 1. Similarly, another method to represent a ratio is by division sign. Again you take Anjali's age is 12 and Ananya's age is 4. So you can write it as 12 by 4 or 3 by 1. Okay. So these are the 3 methods of representing ratio. Now we have seen that here we have used 2 numbers. In all the method we have used 3 numbers. The 2 numbers are called terms of a ratio. These 2 numbers, or you can take these 2 numbers, we call it terms, or in other words antecedents, and the second term is known as consequent. Now there is a note. 2 quantities can be compared if they are in the same unit. For example, 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter, 10 kg and 5 kg. What does it mean? So you see here unit are same, centimeter and kg, but 10 kg and 5 centimeter has no comparison because units are not same. So we have to keep unit same to compare 2 numbers. let's move forward. Next topic is simplest form of ratio. So how you can write the simplest form of a ratio? A ratio A is to B or A by B is said to be in the simplest form if A and B have no common factor except 1. Okay. Now let's see some of the example. You see, simplifying a ratio. Question is simplifying a ratio. So you are given 3 ratios. Now you have to simplify it. For example, you see it is given in fractional form. So number A 3/4 is to 2/5. Now how we will convert this to ratio? So first what we did? First we have written the question. Then next we have to take LCM of 4 and 5, which is 20. If you don't know how to take LCM, then you can see my previous videos or you can do comment. Let's see. 3/4 into 20 is to 2/5 into 20. Now we have multiplied both the number with 20. So after cancellation, 4 5 are 20 and 5 4 are 20, we are getting 15:20. Similarly, this is mixed number, so we have to convert this to improper fraction. So we will take LCM. So LCM of 2 and 2 is 2 only. So after multiplying, we are getting 7:9. Now if decimal number is given, so see 0.026 is to 0.039. So we'll bring it in fractional form. Now LCM of 1000 and 1000 is 1000 only. Now we will multiply this 1000 with both the fraction. After cancellation, we are going to get 26 into is to 39. Now you see this is not in the simplest form. So to make it in the simplest form, we have to divide both the number by 13, since both the number HCF is 13. So we get 26/13 is to 39/13 is equal 2:3. So for today it is enough. We'll see the next part tomorrow. Thank you.